In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your eBay store with your Wix website seamlessly. The process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be able to offer your eBay products directly on your Wix site. Let's get started by opening up your Chrome browser and navigating to the Wix dashboard. Once you're there, you want to locate the left-hand sidebar. This is where you can access different functions and features of Wix. Here, we'll find a little treasure trove of tools known as the Wix App Market. Click on the Wix App Market to open it up. This is essentially a store for apps, much like the App Store on your phone, but tailored specifically to enhance your Wix site. Take a moment to explore if you wish, as this marketplace hosts a wide array of applications that can bring added functionality to your website. What we're particularly interested in today is an eBay integration app. If available, this app will allow you to connect your eBay seller account directly to your Wix site, bridging the gap and creating a seamless transition for your products between eBay and your new or existing Wix store. Once you've found the eBay integration app, go ahead and install it. The installation process is usually quick and will typically guide you through a series of prompts. After the app is installed, the next step is crucial. You need to connect your eBay seller account. This is where the real magic happens. The app should prompt you to log into eBay, and once you do, it will securely connect your accounts. You may have to grant specific permissions, so it's a good idea to double check what those permissions entail to ensure you're comfortable with the data shared between the platforms. With your account connected, it's time to sync your eBay listings to your Wix site, or you can choose to simply link to your existing eBay store directly. This synchronization can often be automated through the app, pulling in item details and images so no duplicate entries need to be made. If you opt for linking, consider how you want the visitor's experience to flow between your Wix store and your listings on eBay. Now that your products are on Wix, it's essential to customize how these products are displayed and the payment options available. Tailor the visual display, ensuring that your store looks cohesive and inviting. Also, spend a moment setting up the payment options. Your customers need a smooth checkout experience, and Wix offers various options here, so choose the ones that best suit your audience. Finally, after all of your hard work, the last step is to save your changes and hit publish. This makes your newly integrated eBay and Wix site available to the public, ready for customers to explore and make purchases. Give your site a thorough review live to ensure everything is functioning as expected. And there you have it, a fully integrated eBay store on your Wix site. Thanks for watching and happy selling!